If reading is what you're not needing, then this summary with Jessica will really be helpful to you. Before you read this article down below, you can watch this video and it'll give you a quick rundown of what it's about. If you're in a debt settlement program and thinking about selling your home, you're not alone. A lot of homeowners hit this point where the debt feels heavy, the plan is dragging on, and they just want a clean reset. And the big question is always the same. The answer is yes, absolutely. You still own your home, your settlement company can't stop you from selling it, and most creditors can't either unless they've actually placed a lien on the property. What selling does do is open up options. If you've got equity, you can use those proceeds to settle your debts faster, negotiate better payoffs, or even wipe your balances out completely. Now, creditors may ask for higher settlements if they know you're getting money from a sale, but they can't just take it unless there's a judgment lien attached. And if you don't have much equity, you still have options like a short sale or negotiating down any liens tied to the home. The key is making a plan. Know your equity. Decide whether you want a traditional sale or something fast like a cash buyer, and be strategic about when and how you communicate with your settlement program. If you're feeling stuck or unsure what your next move should be, KEES Homes can walk you through your numbers and help you decide whether selling is the smartest path for getting your finances back on track. Reach out anytime. You don't have to navigate this alone.